There it is, Bob. It's on. And caliper is rubbing a little. I have to take the caliper off. There is weights that I haven't taken off yet, right there. So I'm going to take those off, and then comes and look at Bob. You're going to kill me. Look at what I was riding on. Look at this tire. Look at it. It's all full of cracks on the side. Look at that. So, yeah, needed tires. These are bigger. Look how much bigger they are. They just look bigger. I didn't order them. They sent what they... It actually probably isn't, but the back one is bigger. I didn't order that huge thing, but it does fit. I took tape to it. And that's what's on there. And it's pretty big. But this is bigger. It's not what I ordered. So I ordered a 150, 60, 18, I think. And I got a 160, 70. $160.70. Look at there's a little teeny ding on the car door, Bobby. Ouch, right there, see? Ouch. Yeah, look at that tire. This is what it came with. Look at the cracks. So this thing looks bigger, but it should, I measured it, it should be fine. I don't know, I'll mount it and see what happens. I don't know. It's huge. I wanted a bigger one anyway. I think I've got plenty of rim. I measured the inside and it's fits in there, so and the height's not bad, the big thing, so it won't rub anywhere, I don't think. I don't know, we'll find out. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.